I had an issue of PCOD in my in ninth grade school. I was diagnosed about the same when I noticed that I'm not getting my periods regularly, and also as I started losing my hair, I lost almost half of the volume of my hair. I got lots of pimple, heat boils on my face, and also facial hair. So all of this together did scare me and my family a lot, but then I was still not very active because I mean, since childhood I have been a very foodie person, and I did not really care about my body weight that time. But as I grew up, my in my college, in my first year, I started becoming more active because then I realized that it is high time I have to really take care of myself. So I started doing yoga, gym. I started going for run, and I also stopped eating most of the fast foods because I knew it's not good for me. Despite continuously giving time to my body by being active, by exercising, I still did not lose weight. And this was really a matter of concern because my family did a lot for me. They made sure that I have enough medications. They made me go through allopathic, homeopathic, Ayurvedic. 3 years I really wasted time on homeopathic especially, but then I still did not get any results. I never got my periods. It was like just 4 months in a year I used to get my periods. So then we felt that maybe it's my diet which is not letting me lose weight, or which is not helping me solve my issue. So I came to know about Sharan through one of my close friends, where I did go through the websites and I did attend some of the free tutorials of Salad Revolution. After going through the website, I felt 2-month weight loss program would be the best one for me, and I was assigned a nutritionist, Miss Supraja, and she has been a gem of a person because I think it wouldn't have been possible without her that I would really transform myself. Today I have lost 9 kgs in just 2 months, which is a really big thing for me because there I have been trying for 3 years to lose weight, which did not help me at all. I did follow the vegan diet which was prescribed by my nutritionist, and I continued having that for 2 months. And I was very surprised to see that in just 1 week I was feeling very light. I lost around 3 kgs in 1 month. Oh, sorry, 1 week. I felt my face was becoming clearer when it comes to pimple. My facial hair had reduced. I initially had loss of facial hair around my chin, which is now reduced, and also my hair growth that has stimulated. I mean, I feel my hair is also becoming thicker in volume. So of course it will take time, but then we have to follow the same diet. Like now I have finished my 2 months program with Sharan, and yet I feel that I should really continue with this diet because this diet has helped me feel even more better mentally, not just physically, not just by losing weight. And also my nutritionist made sure that I follow up with she follows up with me in every 10 or 15 days, which is also important because at that time I discuss what all issues I have been facing in those 10 days, or any doubts I have is being cleared by her. And every follow up has been very fruitful. Today I'm very confident about my body. I get even more happy when I hear from my family and my friends that I have lost weight. That is the best happiness, and even more I become even more happy when I realize that I can fit on those beautiful clothes that I have been always wondering for. I hope it helps you also when you see this. I hope it encourages you or it motivates you to lead a healthier life. Thank you.